Today I'm making a super easy two-step corn dip. I've got 3 cans of this white and yellow corn. You can use whatever corn you like. I like the super sweet one for this recipe. Got a bag of Colby Jack cheese that goes right on top. Seriously, this is the easiest dip you'll ever make for the holidays. Got 2 blocks of cream cheese. Just put that right in there. Then I've got some sour cream. This is an 8-ounce tub, but we only need 2/3 of a cup. So we only need 2/3 of this tub. I'm just gonna measure with my eyeballs. So that looks like 2/3. That you can use for later for other things. And then these are 2 jalapenos that I've cut up. I'm just gonna put this right on top. Do you like your jalapenos with the seeds in it like that? Or do you always take out your seeds? I like the seeds. I've been getting better about spicy foods. So I heard that if you leave the seeds in, they're spicier. Make sure these are all kind of spread out evenly like that. And guys, I can't express how easy this is. All you're gonna do now is just put a lid on it. You're gonna set this on high. And you can cook this for 1 hour, and then we'll be back to do our second step. Now that it's been an hour, we're gonna turn this to low. Take this lid off. And all we did was warm everything together, so now we're just gonna give everything a mix. Get all that corn mixed in with all the cheese and the jalapenos. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Kind of like making macaroni and cheese, but with corn. So, put this all together. And then we're going to be adding a couple of more ingredients. Okay. Got this pre-cooked bacon. You can make your own, but this is just such an easy way to put bacon into a dish because they're halfway cooked. Well, they're fully cooked, but they're not like, crispy. So go ahead and chop this with a pair of scissors because bacon makes everything better. Bacon, cheese, and corn. This is gonna be so good, guys. Like that. And then I've got, this is queso fresco. It's a soft, kind of like a mozzarella, but not really Mexican cheese. All you're gonna do is just crumble it right on top, like that. To 1 layer. See how easily that crumbles? Such a good cheese for this kind of recipe. I'm gonna mix this one more time. Make sure it's all combined. And you're gonna put the lid on this and cook it on low for another ½ hour. Wow, this smells so good in here, guys. Okay, let me give this a stir. And look, the best part about using a crock pot is you can just take it just like this to a party and just plug it back in and you have hot, cheesy corn dip for the entire length of your watch party. All you have to do, serve it with some scoops. I love these scoops corn chips, but you can just use regular tortilla chips if you want. Make a little bit of that corn, a little bit of that bacon, that perfect cheesy bite. I can see the steam. I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh yeah. Corn chips, corn dip, cheesy, bacon, creamy. It's gonna be a massive hit at your next watch party. You should make a batch.